Ever wondered if there's a superhero to rescue Ethereum from its speed and cost challenges? Well, meet Polygon, the caped crusader of the blockchain world. Today, we're diving into the thrilling saga of how Polygon emerges as the dynamic sidekick, promising to revolutionize the Ethereum landscape. If you've ever tried using Ethereum, you know the pain of high gas fees and slow transaction times. It's like being stuck in rush hour traffic on the blockchain highway. But Polygon is here to clear the roads and get us moving again. Think of Polygon as a superhighway built on top of Ethereum. It uses a technique called sidechains to take transactions off the main Ethereum chain and process them separately. This means less congestion, faster speeds, and way lower fees. We're talking fractions of a cent compared to the dollars you might pay on Ethereum. So, what can you do on Polygon? Pretty much anything you can do on Ethereum, but better. DeFi apps, NFT marketplaces, games, you name it. It's super easy to start using Polygon. You can bridge your assets over from Ethereum in a few simple steps. No need to sell your ETH and buy a new token. But Polygon isn't just about speed and cost. It's also about building a more interconnected blockchain ecosystem. Polygon's vision is to create a world where different blockchains can seamlessly communicate with each other. Imagine a future where you can transfer assets between Ethereum, Polygon, and even Bitcoin without any hassle. That's the future Polygon is building towards. So what's the catch? Is Polygon too good to be true? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Like any Layer 2 solution, it does have some trade-offs. But the Polygon team is constantly working to improve the network and address any concerns. And let's be honest, the benefits far outweigh the risks. So if you're looking for a way to experience the best of Ethereum without the headaches, Polygon is definitely worth checking out. It's already home to some of the biggest names in DeFi and NFTs, and it's only getting bigger. So what are you waiting for? Join the Polygon revolution and see for yourself what all the hype is about.